Hello, everyone.
If Excel keeps removing leading zeros from your numbers, like converting 00123 into 123, there isn't just one solution. The right fix depends on what you're trying to do with the data. The first solution is to format the cells as text before entering the data. Right-click the cells, select Format Cells, and choose Text. Now, when you type 00123, Excel keeps the leading zeros. This lets you preserve the leading zeros while still performing calculations normally. But notice the green triangle. Excel is warning us that this value looks like a number, but is stored as text. That's exactly why text format isn't always the best choice when you need calculations. Some formulas may still work, but others may not behave as expected. For example, the count function only counts numeric values. Since this value is stored as text, count ignores it and returns 0. If you're using the value as an ID, zip code, or product code, you can safely ignore this warning. So if you need predictable calculations, text format is usually not the best choice. What if you need both leading zeros and working formulas? In that case, use a custom number format. Select the cells, open Format Cells, choose Custom, and in the type box, enter 5 zeros. Now, if the cell contains 123, Excel displays it as 00123. The important thing is this: Excel still stores the value as a number. The custom format only changes how it looks, so formulas continue to work normally. This method has one limitation too. With a custom number format, you need to decide how many digits should be displayed. For example, 5 zeros will always display at least 5 digits. This works best when all values should have the same number of digits. If the number of leading zeros is different from value to value, text format may be better. But text can affect calculations, so use a custom number format when you need formulas and a fixed number of digits. So, which method should you use? If the value is an ID, code, zip code, or anything that should stay exactly as entered, use text format. If the value needs to work in formulas and display a fixed number of digits, use a custom number format instead. That way, you can keep the leading zeros without losing Excel's calculation capabilities. One final note: if you need calculations and different numbers of leading zeros, one option is to keep the original values as text and use a separate column for formulas. This lets you preserve the leading zeros while still performing calculations normally. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and see you next time.